Road surveyors play a vital role in the planning and development of infrastructure projects, including the construction and maintenance of roads. They are responsible for conducting surveys and collecting data to ensure accurate measurements and analysis. In the bustling city of Delhi, particularly in the Saket area, road surveyors are in high demand due to the constant need for expansion and improvement of the road network. One prominent company that offers road surveying services in Saket is Scon Design Delhi. Scon Design Delhi is a renowned firm specializing in various aspects of civil engineering, including road surveying. With their team of highly skilled and experienced professionals, they provide comprehensive surveying solutions to clients in Saket and its surrounding areas. Their expertise in road surveying allows them to accurately assess the condition of existing roads, identify potential problem areas, and propose effective solutions. The road surveyors at Scon Design Delhi are equipped with advanced tools and technologies to ensure precise measurements and data collection. They utilize state-of-the-art equipment such as total stations, GPS devices, and laser scanners to capture accurate data about the terrain, existing structures, and utilities along the roads. This detailed information is crucial for engineers and planners to make informed decisions regarding road design, alignment, and construction. Saket, being a rapidly developing area in Delhi, requires constant monitoring and evaluation of its road infrastructure. Road surveyors play a pivotal role in this process by conducting regular surveys to assess the condition of the roads, identify areas that need repair or maintenance, and recommend appropriate measures. The data collected by these surveyors helps in determining the extent of damage, estimating repair costs, and planning for future road development projects. Scon Design Delhi understands the significance of accurate and reliable road surveys in Saket. Their team of road surveyors is well versed in the latest techniques and methodologies to ensure that all surveys are conducted efficiently and with utmost precision. They have a thorough understanding of local regulations and standards, which enables them to deliver surveys that meet all compliance requirements. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design Delhi prides itself on its commitment to customer satisfaction. They work closely with their clients to understand their specific requirements and provide tailored solutions accordingly. Whether it is a small-scale road repair project or a large-scale road construction initiative, Scon Design Delhi offers personalized services that meet the unique needs of each client. With their expertise and commitment to customer satisfaction, they are the go-to choice for anyone seeking professional road surveying services in Saket. Road surveyors in Saket play a crucial role in the planning and development of road infrastructure in this bustling area of Delhi. Scon Design, a well-established firm in Delhi, has been providing top-notch surveying services to clients in Saket and surrounding areas. As road surveyors, their expertise lies in accurately measuring